because we only come, if just close the door, that's good. We, we normally hear more, but I got sick. I wound up with a prostate cancer, so I wasn't able to come down. This was all filled like this.
Okay.
My wife did the best, but you want to take everything out, redo everything.
Okay, excellent. Yeah.
I mean, disaster. The other cabinets are outside. My garage door thing broke last night, so you gotta walk around. I'm sorry about that.
Okay. So you mentioned that you were up north, right?
We live in New York,
Okay.
but we come down here. But
So
this, what happened, the electricity and the water got shut off for some reason. We don't know. Had everything. We flew back down, came in, what's today, Sunday? We came in Friday. And walked into all this.
so it wasn't water on the ground?
No.
Oh, thanks God.
No, when we opened it, it was all like little choo-choo flies.
Yes.
I had to exterminate. Over here, these cabinets gotta be cleaned,
Okay.
you know.
Okay. Okay, sir. She's gonna bring all the stuff and the antibacterial so she can clean it, okay?
Okay.
Okay, no problem.
And the other drawers that belong to this on the side of the house.
Okay, can you
And in
show
the
me
garage.
where I have to enter?
Well, you know what it is? My garage door, it just broke last night.
Okay.
So, I should. My wife may have brought them in the house, I don't know. I think they're all in the garage. So you can go through the garage on the inside. Yeah, she brought them inside, all the other pieces.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
But I can't open the garage door.
Yeah, I understand that. Está dentro del garaje, las cosas que se tienen que limpiar. Ahorita lo
You
chequeo.
go into the kitchen, I'll show you.
Okay, vamos. Sí.
You're all insured and everything, right?
Excuse me?
You're insured and everything?
Yes, we have insurance,
Good,
sir.
good. The other pieces here,
Okay.
okay? This piece here,
Okay. Nothing else, right?
no anymore.
Okay, good. Okay. She's gonna bring all the stuff and I have to run to do another estimate.
Okay,
And as soon as she is going to about to finish, she's gonna call me so I will pick her up.
no problem.
Solamente por fuera. Y los gabinetes. Anda bajando tus cosas.
Sí.
Ay, qué bueno que hay música en español. That's awesome. How did you hear about us?
I called a friend of mine. He's a manager at Champions Inn,
Uh-huh.
the Hotel de Andy,
Ombi? Uh-huh.
and they told me about you.
Oh, excellent. I'm glad that.
He's a concierge there.
Wondering how he knows.
He gave me
about-
2 people,
Okay.
and one person was too far away, and I called you up.
Excellent.
You
Thank
know
you,
what
sir.
it is? My pool got destroyed. I gotta get them again. All my lawn. This grass used to be green. Last year I came here, I put so much money in the house for her, and everything's destroyed.
Why?
The water got shut off, and
And
nothing.
nobody knows that.
Nobody knew. We were in New York.
Oh, so you don't have nobody that can check the house off.
No.
I'm gonna give you my card. I'm in the area. You can call me anytime if something happens. There's a hurricane, and you say, "Can you go and check outside or whatever?"
Yeah.
So it's good to have someone in the
We
area.
used to have a caretaker, but I don't know what happened. You know.
It's always good to have someone near you,
Yeah.
so you can save my number and call me anytime that you need something.
I appreciate it.
Okay, good.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
All right.
So Hilda is taking down all the stuff that she needs. She will need the vapor steamer, some glove, antibacterial, and she's gonna clean it, the refrigerator. In the meantime, I'm gonna do another estimate that I have to go right now. And excellent. Sí, tiene. ¿Necesita algo más? ¿No necesita el Swifter, nada?
No.
Para llegar a la...
No, porque arriba los gabinetes son pegados.
Ok, perfecto. Ok, hablamos.
Ok,
Me
nos
voy.
estamos comunicando.
Gracias, chao. Gracias.